this is Todd Covert from ACA Track. This is going to be a short tutorial on a common warning message that we're receiving on your data quality report. So if you review your data quality report, you first have to go to prepare tax returns on your home page. And in the second tab under the data quality or audit quality review, there is a tab to click on your data quality report right here in the middle of the screen. This will activate your report to generate your data quality report. This report is a specific audit that is looking at the plan offering and all of the plan attributes that you provided compared to the data that was provided and looking for conflicting points of information, all in an effort to make sure that the data is correct. It's a advanced algorithm that we've put together to help our customers make sure that we're all doing the best we can to get the data all in the proper format. So after we run our data quality report, we can review our results. And again, the reason behind this short video is to go over the most common warning that we are getting inquiries about at ACA Track, and that is specifically around the coverage date and coverage termination date. Those two warnings, and again, a warning on the report only means that it needs to be investigated. A warning does not mean 100% that it is wrong. A warning simply means it needs to be investigated because something in the plan information that you provided is different than what's in the data. So for example here, we have two warnings, one around the coverage effective date and a warning on the coverage termination date. So if we look at the plan setup, this customer, we can see here, provided a end of the month plan provision for coverage terminating. So all employees, their coverage should be terminating on the end of the month. Also over here on the coverage effective date, all coverage should begin on the first of the month following date of hire. So when we look at the data of this specific group, we see a hire date of 1/15/2016 and a coverage begin date on the same day. However, we know in the plan setup that was provided, the coverage was supposed to begin on the first of the month following date of hire. So obviously something is incorrect here. Either the plan setup is incorrect or the data is possibly incorrect. Now, with that said, we all understand there are certain special arrangements that are made for employees, severance agreements and such. So that's why we portray it as just a warning. The additional warning that we saw was around the coverage end date. We see this individual, their term date was on 2/15/2016, and their coverage terminated on the same day. However, when we look at the plan setup, this group told us that their coverage termination was end of the month. So thus, it's creating a warning because in this specific example, the term date is 2/15. The coverage should end on 2/28, which is the end of the month. All of this is very important because partial months and full months are coded differently in regards to the 1095-C reporting. So again, when there's warnings on your data quality report, it doesn't necessarily mean it's 100% incorrect. It's just something is not lining up between the plan setup and what's in the data. So hopefully you found this short video helpful with ACA Track.